Hello, welcome to Win Financial and Volatility Market. This is the only YouTube channel where you can become rich overnight trading financial market, Forex, BoomCrash, Volatility, and all of that. So, in today's video, we shall be discussing about spike trading, how to trade spike, because it is discovered that this spike make a lot of people to lose their funds. Okay, so let's trade it. Instead of being afraid of it, we have to trade it. So you have to click on F. Remember, a crash market is a buying market, a bull market is a selling market. But once a spike happens, you lose your money. That's why we are devising a rule here to trade it. So click on F. You need on the main chart, you see, I don't know if you are seeing what I'm saying. See, click on this F. So go to moving average under 20, you see it. Okay, click on it. I've already done that. Okay, moving average, see it here. There are two moving average. Forget the other one. Just moving average 20 is what we need. Shift is 0. Method of exponential apply to close tie is 4p0 and green and all of that. So you see, this is it. We don't need this black one. Is moving average 200. You don't need it because we are using 1 minute time frame analysis, so you have to set 1 minute. So the next one is you click on F. You need to add stochastic. And how do you do that? You go to main chart. Then this is very, very important. Main chart. You see that F plus. That F plus in the main chart. Make sure you do it. This is it. Click on it, then go to oscillators. Okay, you can see this is oscillator. Then you have to scroll down and scroll down and get stochastic. It's very necessary. It's one of the accurate indicators you need. The K period is 60, D period is 1, and slowing is 1. And the price field should be close, and method should be exponential. Okay, the style is main. And signal should be 2 pesos each and color of your choice. And the level should be level 10, you buy. Level 50, you wait or take profit. But I will tell you how to control all these. Level 90, you sell. And then the style should be 3 pesos on black. Okay, and that is what we have done. And if you have done this, please, congratulations, you are on your way to making millions. Okay, let me tell you something. If you are watching this video and you really understand what I'm doing, try to share it to your friends. But before you do that, subscribe, turn on the bell notification. Let thousands of people and even millions of people in your social network get access to this video, because they will never forget you. They will thank you. They will appreciate your efforts in giving them financial freedom by bringing them to this YouTube channel. So right now, we are going to the usage. How do we use this strategy? Okay, this is a boom market. You can see I'm already on boom 1000. Whatever I say on boom 1000 also works well on boom 500, and whatever I say on crash 1000 also works well on crash 500. And right now, what I'm doing now is application. So all the indicators are going to be used in this analysis. You have to wait for the stochastic, which is the red line here in the indicator window, want to cross from below the moving average 10 at level what? At level 10. That is the buy zone. So once you search a near crossing, okay, you might miss the first spike. All these green lines in the main chart, green candlestick, they are all spike and they are very long. All this long green, that spike in boom markets. So what you need to do is the 1 minute time frame. Once you see a near crossing, you sell. You buy. Then when do you exit? When there is, if there is crossing of stochastic or moving average 10 at level 50, you exit. Okay, you exit. But if you have large capital, don't exit yet. until the price action come below the moving average 20 in the main chart, then you exit. Finally, that shows that the market is going for sell. Okay, remember this video is aimed at teaching you how to trade spike and not directions. So you have to be one-minded, you have to be single-sided, you have to have focus, please. We are talking about spike trading because a lot of accounts have been blown and have been blue, and we are doing this to rescue those guys, all those traders. So right now we are going to check this. Another point is when the stochastic and moving average 8 crosses each other at level 90 from above. You see, stochastic is faster than moving average, so it has to cross from above. Even if it crosses, it cannot cross from below, but if it crosses from below, whatever crossing, it is 90% crossing from above, okay, when it is at level 90, and it is 90% crossing from below when it is at level 10. So once you see this crossing, whether it is above or below anything, okay, what you need to do is to exit, okay? But you shouldn't exit yet if you have large capital. Why? Because you have to do analysis on main chart. You have to check, is the price action below the moving average 20 in the main chart? What do we mean by price action being below? This is it. You see, the price action is below here, so you can exist once the price action is below here, because it is telling you that there is a high selling pressure in the 1 minute time frame analysis. So what the next thing you need to do is, okay, you exist. But if the price action is still above the moving average like this, you continue, because more spike can still happen. Okay, they will now use this moving average 20 as dynamic trend line in the 1 minute time frame for buying boom markets. So let's go to crash. I hope if you like this, give him a thumb, a like, share and comment, even subscribe if you have not done so. So you have to come here, you have to come here, you have to come here. I'm telling you the truth, you have to come here to Crash 1000. This is Crash 1000, and many of you like my voice. I don't know what people are commenting in the comment section, and they said they like my voice. That is natural. I inherited it for this game. I cannot do a YouTube without a nice voice. You have to like my. This Crash 1000 index, and right now we are talking about the entry rule. Okay, we are talking about the entry rule. You have to wait, because if you are trading spike in Crash 1000, you are trading the spike. You are selling the Crash 1000 index for you to trade the spike. So you wait for a crossing. Let me get a perfect crossing, but if a crossing is very close to level 90, it's still valid. If it is on level 90, it's still valid. So you wait a crossing of stochastic from above onto the moving average, then near level 90 or on level 90. Okay, once you spot that, you sell. So when do you exit? When do you collect your profit? Remember, you don't set stop loss in boom or crash market. You can only set take profit. So, but the best thing is to close it manually. You have to be watching. This is a business, so you have to be watching your chart. Remember, this video is for scalpers, because that's why I'm using 1 minute time frame, showing that it's for scalpers, meaning those people that take little profit out of the market and go away. So what I do here now is I wait for a crossing from below the moving, from below level 10, the crossing of a stochastic onto the moving average 10 from below level 10 and at level 10 or near level 10, but the stochastic has to come from below. Exactly, it must come from, even if it comes from above, but it doesn't matter as long as it's a crossing. You have to close here. But if you have enough capital, you can still wait until the price action comes above the moving average 20, then you can close. Okay, you cannot close here, because it is telling you that buyers are strong, selling has stopped. There is no much selling pressure again. So I have not said something about level 90 and level 50. If there is crossing of stochastic and moving average 20 at level 50, you can stop. You can close your market so long the price action is above the moving average 20. But if it is not above the moving average 20, then such crossing is fake. You have to wait. You have to wait until you get another crossing signal at level 10 or at any other level. It's not necessarily that the crossing should be at level 10, even in bull market, but the exit level is not necessarily at these key levels. Once there is a crossing at other levels and the price action is, if it is crash, if the price action is above, then you close. If it is below, then you close. So I think this is what you need to know. The another thing is money management. If you trade a spike and you started losing up to 20% of your equity and there is no spike that happened, close that trade and wait for next spike to happen. Okay, so that is it, 20%. Because if you have $100 account and you lose 20% which is 20% of $100 is $20. If you lose $20 and spike didn't happen, that means it is not for you. After following all these rules and spike didn't happen, it's not for you. Know that you should use from $50 to $100 account, use 0.3 to 0.5 loss size. 0.3 to 0.5 loss size. Then if you have $10 to $50, then use 0.2 loss size. Okay, and open only one trade. Don't open more than one trade. Open one trade until your account is grown to a big capital base, and you cannot be opening more than one trade or using big loss size. Remember, if you open one loss size of a trade, it is the same thing as opening 0.5 loss size of such trade in two places. It's the same thing. So do the math and know what you are doing. So okay, I can do a live, maybe in the next video I will do a live application, like live trading of using this strategy. For now, that is how it was. Like now, we'll be expecting spike to happen at this level, but we can't just sell spike until there is a crossing. Maybe one spike will happen first to form that crossing at level 90, and then we enter sell. Okay, and then we now exit at those exit conditions I have given you in the video. So thank you for being with me financial. Make sure you share this video. This is just a kind of a 12 minutes video, but you're gonna change your life financially. So try to share it to your friends, try to like, comment, and try to actually bring new people to this channel that don't even know what trading is all about.